Pause for a moment. You have been carrying too much for too long. Thoughts that never slow down. Pressure you never speak about. A heaviness sitting quietly inside your chest while the world keeps expecting more from you. But tonight, Allah brought you here for a reason. Not to overwhelm you with answers. Not to demand more strength from you. But to comfort your heart. Because sometimes the soul becomes so exhausted from pretending to be okay that Allah creates a moment of stillness just to let it breathe again. And perhaps this very moment was written for you long before you ever pressed play. Some pain never reaches language. People only see the version of you that continues functioning. The version that replies politely, keeps showing up, keeps surviving, but they never witness the private exhaustion hidden beneath your silence. They do not hear the conversations happening inside your mind late at night. They do not see how often you carry fear while pretending to carry peace. But Allah sees all of it. Every hidden worry, every silent disappointment, every tear that formed in your eyes before you forced it away. And the beautiful thing is this: you never needed perfect words for Allah to understand your heart. He understood your pain before you ever explained it. Sometimes Allah allows life to slow down because your soul has been running for too long without rest. You keep trying to hold everything together, trying to control outcomes, trying to protect yourself from disappointment, trying to carry tomorrow before it even arrives. But eventually, the heart becomes tired from carrying what was never meant for human shoulders alone. So Allah creates pauses, moments where distractions lose their shine, moments where worldly comfort stops feeling enough. Not to distance you from happiness, but to gently guide your heart back toward the only peace that never fades, His peace. There are moments when Allah comforts His servants, not by changing the world around them immediately, but by calming the storm within them, by reminding them they are not abandoned, not forgotten, not alone. And Allah says in the Quran, "Surely in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find comfort." Maybe that is why your soul was guided here tonight, not merely to listen, but to remember the one capable of bringing peace back into your heart, even after everything it has carried. So let your heart rest now. You do not need to solve your entire life tonight. You do not need to carry every fear by yourself anymore. Allah has always known the weight inside your chest. And even during the moments you felt emotionally lost, He remained close. Maybe this was never just a video. Maybe this was Allah comforting your heart through words you were meant to hear at exactly the right time. Look at your screen one last time. Breathe deeply and remember, Allah brought you here to comfort your heart. And if this reminder reached your heart tonight, write in the comments, "Ya Allah, bring peace to my heart."